Hi everyone, Jim from Eru here. Today I'm going to take you through our Mac custom app library item. Our Auto Apps catalog usually covers most of the applications that customers will need to install, but there's always usually one or two that aren't available for one reason or another. Our Mac custom app library item gives you a powerful tool to deploy those applications. Let's take a look at it. The first thing we'll want to do is give the library item a name, and optionally we can upload a custom icon. The install on is always going to be Mac, since that's the platform we're working with. And of course, we can assign it to a blueprint now, or come back and assign it later. The first thing we want to set is the installation method. There's a few options here. Install once per device will do just that. Install the application successfully once, and then we're done. Install on demand from self-service makes the app available for users to install themselves through our self-service portal. The most powerful method to determine installation is audit and enforce. This allows you to define a script that runs every time our agent checks in. We're looking for a zero exit code from the script, letting us know everything is good, we don't need to install the application. Any other exit code will tell us to install the application based on the installation details we'll define in just a moment. The audit and enforce script can be something as simple as just checking if an app exists in the applications folder, or it can be something more complex. Maybe you also want to check for a specific version of the application and only install if an update is needed. There's also some amount of self-healing that you can build into these scripts if you want to, say, check if a process is running or reload a launch daemon. Really, anything you can script out can be built into the audit and enforce script. We've got some great examples in our public GitHub repository that you should definitely check out that are great starting points. Now, once we've determined the installation method, we go to the installation details. This will allow us to tell Eru how to install the application. A lot of Mac applications are available to install through an installation package. If that's the case, you can usually just drag it into the window there, and that's all that's needed. Some applications will be delivered as a DMG, so if there's a DMG file that has an app inside that just needs to be copied to the applications folder, again, you can simply drag the DMG into the window and we'll take care of the rest. The last method is going to be providing a zip file that will extract to a specific location, and then usually you would want to use a pre-install or post-install script to complete the installation method. So let's just say var temp as a great place to put some temporary files, and then we'll drag our zip file into the window. Now with this zip file, I've got a configuration file inside along with my package installer. I'm going to add a pre-install script that will check if the configuration folder for my app is available, and if not, create it. That way I can move my configuration file into place before running the installer using a post-install script. This allows you to build out more complex installs in a centralized location so that anyone who comes and looks at this library item knows exactly what's going on and is being done. The last item is if you do need to restart the computer after the software is installed, you can simply check this box and our agent will gracefully notify the user that there is a restart required and then restart at the end of a countdown timer. Hopefully this gives you a powerful tool to deploy any applications that aren't available in our Auto Apps catalog.